Morning.
Morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Dolly Bondo.
How old are you?
I'm 32 years old, ma'am.
What is your education level?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Can you read and write English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you married or single?
I'm married, ma'am.
If married, how many children?
5 children, ma'am.
How old are your children?
16, 14, 5, 4, and 2 years old, ma'am.
Where did you stay? In the province or here in Manila?
In the province, ma'am.
You have experience before working here in the Philippines or in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
How long?
From 1996 to 1998, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of food?
Philippine food, ma'am.
Do you know how to take care babies?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the baby you took care?
4-year-old, ma'am.
Who is the baby?
Employer children, ma'am.
Do you like to take care newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to take care elder people?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the elder people?
72.
Who is the elder people?
Grandfather, ma'am.
Do you willing to help elder people take baths?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you car wash?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you drive car?
No, ma'am.
Can you ride bicycle?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you finish your contract for 2 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke cigarettes?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pets like dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have allergies?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to garden or any knowledge in gardening?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to bring friends inside the house or any place near to the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why do you want to work in other countries? Explain why.
To earn money